What's up guys, welcome back again in my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to force 60 fps and PUBG Mobile gaming in any devices. If your device doesn't support 60 fps, then this is the method you can use. I have a special file you can download in the from the link below. I will put the link below anyway. You can download this file. I have already downloaded these files. So this one is 60 fps special. So it's in a zip file. It's already in compressed. So I will unzip it. But I will show you the before that. It's a Galaxy S22 phone, right? It's Galaxy S22 which has Exynos 2200. It doesn't have any official 60 fps. As you can see, there is only high frame rate is available for this flagship device. So no 90 fps, no 60 fps. So your fps is locked, as you can see. Even so, you cannot play in 60 fps, and there is no available HDR mode also. So if your device have a problem of performing this game in 60 fps, is a very good chance that this is a really nice video just for you guys. So what you have to do is like just close this game. Let's close this game. Close everything. For all these processes, guys, I highly recommend to use ZRGBer. It's for free. You can download from Google Play Store. You have already this downloaded zip folder. It's in zip. It's compressed. So just remember it's a 1.48 gigabyte. So it's a huge file. But trust me, it's the safest way to do. If you don't wanna get banned, you know, your ID, this is the most safest. Do not compromise. And extract here. Keep the screen from turning off. So right now we have already unzipped there. As always, go to device memory, Android, data, and find PUBG folder. That should be com.tencent.ig. Here it is. Go back to files and long press this U4 game, because we need to neutralize this file so that it doesn't affect our game. So just rename it. You can write anything. You can write anything. I will just write my name. So XE. So go back to downloaded folder. Go inside the 60 fps special file. This is a special 60 fps file. Just long press it. Copy. This is the same method like before. It's easy, right? When you copy, it should be like this available. You know, when it's available, is the task is correct. So go back to device memory, Android, data, find this Tencent.ig. Then we have here, and files, and paste here. So remember that this folder was before U4 game, which was locked graphic settings U4 game folder. So right now we are pasting U4 games, which I have already unlocked folder, yeah, which you have downloaded. You are just copying that U4 game, which is unlocked 60 version, and you are going to paste inside these files, and it will be work as a main U4 game. So it's the most safest way. So remember that this XE is the main U4 game, which was pre-installed, but we neutralized that one. So now right now U4 game, which we are putting inside, this should work as a main folder. Right now we are ready. Like this XE is the default U4 game, which was locked version of 60 fps. But right now we have U4 game, which is unlocked version of 60 fps. Let's run this game. From the beginning, as you can see that 60 fps is unlocked. We'll see like further. I'm pretty sure that In the graphic, you will not see any extreme frame rate option available. So in the graphic, it's not available. But as you can see in the FPS meter that 60 FPS is running. I will show you the game also. As you can see, 60 FPS is running without any problem. So this is not a fake file, because so many scammer coming in my channel and they are saying that it's a scam, or I don't do any scam things on my channel. My videos are really straightforward. And there is no risk, guys. I have been using this method since I am using Samsung devices, so I don't have any problem. You know, it's the most safest way of doing. So there is no need to worry about it, because we are not changing anything. We are just unlocking this option which should have been available, right? We are just unlocking those things. We are not doing any like anti-cheat or any like hacking things, you know. That's why it's safe, right? Okay, you have done already this method, you know, like now 60 FPS is available. If you want to force 90 FPS, then there is very simple method, you know, like I will show you. Like if you remember my previous video, this 2.2 update is 90 FPS folder, you know, as you have remember in my previous video. We have already like 60 FPS special running, but we have 90 FPS available folder also. So what we can do is that is very one step, and we can change to 90 FPS. So just go inside the device memory, Android data, Tencent.ig, go inside the files. As you can see, we have the main UE4 game is neutralized, which is XE folder right now, but you can change to any name, right? So this one UE4 game is 60 FPS. What we're gonna do is that we're gonna just delete this, right? If you leave it like this and if you open the game will reset, you know, like it will bring back to UE4 game. That UE4 game will be locked 60% of UE4 game. So right now we have like this situation, so do not open this game, right? So now go to download folder. Now we will use UE4 game, which is unlock 90 FPS version. So long press it. Remember that 2.2 update is UE4 game is 90 FPS folder from our previous video. Best option is available. Now go to device memory, Android data, from the Tencent IG files, and we'll paste it here. I hope you understand the concept, right? The default UE4 game is neutralized and it's renamed as XE. So now we are just replacing our UE4 game. Before it was 60 FPS special UE4 game where 60 FPS was unlocked, and now this is a UE4 game folder where 90 FPS is unlocked. This method should run or force this game, PUBG Mobile game, into 90 FPS gaming. So it's done, and we have like UE4 game which has unlocked 90 FPS is inside the system file. Check. Let's open the game. As you can see in lobby, 90 FPS is already available. Got the concept, right? But in the graphic option, it's only available high. It will not show 90 FPS option, but it's running 90 FPS. So 90 FPS is available, as you can see. And one more thing is that this extreme 60 FPS is available on any devices, right? But 90 FPS will not be available in every devices. If your device supports high refresh rate, like this phone supports adaptive motion smoothness, so it goes to 24 Hz to 120 Hz of refresh rate. This device can force to 90 FPS. If your device doesn't support high refresh rate, then your device will not unlock 90 FPS. Now you have a like 60 fps folder also, and 90 fps folder also. It's off to your choice. I highly recommend to play this game in 60 fps, because 60 fps is very smooth, and this gives a long battery time also, and long gaming session also. 90 fps makes this device warmer also, and the battery also goes quickly. So 60 fps is really smooth. So enjoy 60 fps gaming. I highly recommend. You have a folder or files which is available to download. You have the link in the below. Enjoy, guys, and hope you like this video. If you like, give a thumbs up, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I will be creating more videos about these things. Till then, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.